Welcome to Mind Maths YouTube channel. Hi viewers, thank you everyone for watching my videos on YouTube. And today we have to learn about quadratic equation, special type of quadratic equations and their solutions. Okay, in this video you watch the complete video, and because of I'm giving one question in the last. Everyone should give the solution of that question or that equation in the comment section. Okay, you don't forget it. You watch the complete video and give your solution in the comment section. Okay, now one example I am taking. You see, x plus 1 by x is equal to 17 by 4. Okay, in current method, first what we should do in current method, first we have to change this equation into a quadratic equation. Okay, so x is in left side, x is LCM, x into x square, and plus 1 is equal to 17 by 4. 17 by 4. By the cross multiplication, by the cross multiplication, 4 into this one, 4x square plus 4 is equal to 17x. The 17x you transpose to right side. 4x square minus 17x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation, and then we have to solve by using factorization method or formula method or graphical method. And also, as we know, already I explained in our previous video, that is Vedic Maths Sutra. By Vedic Maths Sutra also we can do this solution easily in 20 seconds only. Okay, but this given equation is a special type of equation, and for this we can solve without changing into a quadratic equation. How we can? Okay, you listen. Before that, I am asking you, you subscribe my channel if you not subscribed still now, and also click on the bell symbol. Okay, thank you. Now I am explaining the solution. It is special case of equation. Why? Because you see here left hand side, x plus 1 by x. You as we know that x and 1 by x are both reciprocals to each other. That means multiplicative inverses. That is, what is the multiplication inverse or reciprocal of x? 1 by x. That's it. So 1 by x reciprocal is x. That's it. That is why x and 1 by x are multiplicative inverses to each other. Okay, that's why it is called as a special type of quadratic equation. For this type of quadratic equations only we can solve. What I'm going to explain this method. Okay, by using this method we can solve this type of equations only. Okay, now you see this one right as this. We observed that left hand side two terms are there. These two terms are both reciprocals to each other, and right hand side 17 by 4 is there. This 17 by 4 also we have to write as the sum of two reciprocals. Okay, how we can write? In the denominator 4 is there. Okay, we know 4 4 ja 16 plus 1 17 we can get. That's why for the 17 by 4 we can write 4 whole 1 by 4. 4 whole 1 by 4. And also you know 4 whole 1 by 4 we can write as 4 plus 1 by 4 also. X plus 1 by x is equal to 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay, you see now easily we can write x value. Here x plus 1 by x reciprocal, sum of the reciprocals in left side, and right side also sum of the reciprocals in the right side. Okay, therefore clearly we know x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4, or 1 by 4. We can write. Of course, if x is equal to 1 by 4, no problem. Then 1 by x is equal to 4. That's why we can get two answers. X is equal to 4 or 1 by 4. These are the two solutions. Okay. And let us take one more example. X plus 1 by x is equal to 26 by 5. Okay, by Vedic method. And once you listen here, this Vedic method name is here sutra is Vilokanam. Sutra name Vilokanam Sutra. Vilokanam Sutra means reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Okay. Now, what about this solution? X plus 1 by x, write as it is. And we observed that left hand side some of the reciprocals, and right side also. Denominator is 5. We know that 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. That is why we can write this one as otherwise 26 you divide 26 by 5, then we can get 5 whole 1 by 5. This is mixed fraction, this is improper fraction. Just you change into mixed fraction. Okay, and then we can write x is equal to 5 or 1 by 5. This is the answer. That's it. Very simple. And next, one more example I am taking. That is x plus 1 by x plus 2 plus x plus 2 by x plus 1 is equal to 82 by 9. Okay. We observe that in the left hand side, in the equation, both are reciprocals. This one and this one. This is the sum of reciprocals. X plus 1 by x plus 2 reciprocal is x plus 2. Just exchange the numerator and denominator, then we can get reciprocal. We know that. Okay, implies this one we can write as 82 by 9. We can write as 9 whole 1 by 9. 9 whole 1 by 9. Okay, therefore we can write x plus 1 by x plus 2 1 is equal to 9 or 1 by 9. That's it. But x value not came still now. Then we can take here, in first case we can take x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to 9. Okay, and this x plus 2 you transpose to right side. X plus 1 is equal to 9x plus 18. Okay, this x plus 1 you transpose to right side, then we can get 8x plus 17 is equal to 0. And then x is equal to minus 17 by 8. This is case 1. This one we take it. And if you take this one also, in case 2, we can get the one more root. Okay, that's it. Let us take one more example. X plus 4 by x minus 4 plus x minus 4 by x plus 4 is equal to 10 by 3. 10 by 3. Okay. These two terms are reciprocals in the left side. That's why we can write this one 10 by 3 as 3 3 is 9, 1 by 3. We can write. Therefore, x plus 4 by x minus 4 is equal to 9 or 1 by 3. 9 or 1 by 3. That's it. we can get here, if you take this one, x plus 4 is equal to 9x minus 36, implies here x plus 4, if you transpose to right side, then we can get 8x and minus 36 minus 4 minus 40 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 40 by 8, 5. Okay. If you take 1 by 3, then we can get one more answer. Okay. I am giving now one example for you, that is x plus 1 by x is equal to 37 by 6. You solve this and write the solution in the comment section. Okay, write the solution in the comment section. Okay, this is about Vilopanam Sutra. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my videos on YouTube.